What's good with y'all niggas? Be back with another video and shit. So yeah, while we continue with the 48 Laws of Power series, 48 Laws of Power Analysis series. So right now, before I begin, Law 11, I just need to give you guys a little announcement. You see, the thing is, I feel like uploading one video a day for this series. The ideally it's the best decision for consistent growth. But I'm feeling like, bro, I feel like this can get boring with hella fast. So like, and also I feel like I can get this shit done in a much quicker time while still keeping the quality. So right now, probably for each day, I'm not saying for probably I'm not promising anything, but probably I'll be uploading 5 videos a day to finish this series much quicker so we can move on to other books that I have installed, right? Alright, so let's continue. So we're gonna be doing Law number 11, right? And in general, right, is the title is make people depend on you, right? You guys, you have to understand that and power is all about independence. If people depend on you, you got the power. You know what I'm saying? Because you're independent from them. This is why it's important to make people depend on you, on your expertise in a specific area, right? Because look, you need to be so good at what you do that, like, no matter what, like you can, because like no matter how different, no matter the superior will not fire or attempt to find someone as good as you because you're already as good. You're one of the best in that area, and in this case, you're in the power. You have the power. You have all the power. You know what I'm saying? Because the ultimate power is being dependent on, and to create this type of relationship, we just need to be good in a specific skill. You just gotta be on your, you know what I'm saying, pick. You got It's something that you have to love though, because you won't. For example, um, I cannot be the someone cannot be the best best player in a certain sport if they don't like that sport at all, because it's gonna take time, energy, and commitment. And if you don't love what you're doing, you'll drop it. You know what I'm saying? This is why and also this is why passion is important. And also you don't multitask. I mean, I still multitask. I mean, like, I'm not gonna lie here, but like I stopped multitasking with bigger stuff, because before I had multiple shit I had to do. Like, I had school, I had online trading like forex. I was practicing the forex thing. I had a business to run. I had books to write. I had a I had to I wanted to take get my music career off the ground to record an album. That was just my goal, to record my first album. See, I have five of these, right? So of course, I won't have time to talk to people. Of course, I won't have time to go outside, and of course, oh, I also forgot. I also had to exercise. I was focused on my fitness too. You know what I'm saying? So six of these things, I had lots of shit to do. So of course, like with multitasking, you will get shit done, but like your quality is questionable. You know what I'm saying? The quality of your shit is questionable. This is why it's important to pick one and go at it. Just go at it. You know what I'm saying? But like, let's see. With me, I currently, with Advil 6, I have removed the business. I kind of I stopped working on the business right now. I'm probably gonna work on it during the holidays. You know what I'm saying? When my school is not there. And I think that's it. I only stopped working on the business as we speak. Yeah, as we speak, I've dropped from 6 to 5 because the music is just like, the album is like a short thing. Like, we have the recording studios, like, you know what I'm saying. But anyways, right? This is why it's very important to pick one and go hard at it so that you can, you know what I'm saying, get good at it, get really, really, really good, because all your energy is directed to one thing, right? However, my guy, you have to understand, when you're the best at everything, with anything, like in life in general, when you're the best, it creates hate, it creates resentment, right? All right, right. I'm talking about the superiors and all that type stuff. Because you have the power. You can demand anything. Like, 'cause look, if I'm the best doctor in the whole let's just say the whole country, I can demand higher wages whenever I want. Cause like I know I have the skills that you need. So pay me or I leave. Cause there are other firms that will look to hire me, who wanna hire me, right? This is why it creates hate and resentment. But always, they will always stay on your side since they depend on you, right? And yeah, alright, guys, that's the fucking end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe, comment down below what type of videos you want next. I'm about to, because I'm contemplating, I'm about to, after like a few, maybe like this series and the Loss of Human Nature series, I'm about to switch up my content a little bit, go to reaction videos and stuff like that. So just comment down below the videos that you want me to react to. Um, I'm talking about like sort of like infield type videos, like men, women, trying, what I'm saying, blind dates and all those type of shit. You know what I'm saying. So don't forget, comment down below that. And also, I got a new book, The Blueprint to Success. You can check it on Amazon. But if you comment down below your email and The Blueprint to Success, I'll send you the free ebook free of charge. No strings attached. Alright, guys. Don't forget. Alright, guys. Holla back at your boy. Shit.